We've just seen that the process of learning involves forming mental representations of objects and events and the relations between them. That's how, in classical conditioning, we learn to expect something to happen in the future, given that something else has just happened. And that's how, in instrumental conditioning, we learn to expect something to happen given something we've just done. In this section of the course, we're going to delve more deeply into the cognitive processes by which we form these internal mental representations of the world outside our minds, how we store them in memory, and how we use them in thinking. The earliest psychologists were concerned with how we acquire knowledge through experience, and so they began by investigating the basic processes of sensation and perception. These earliest psychologists, and some psychologists working today, refer to sensation and perception as elementary or lower mental processes, in contrast to the higher, more complex mental processes involved in remembering, reasoning, problem-solving, and decision-making. But as we'll see, the distinction between lower and higher, simple and complex mental processes is somewhat misleading, if not downright false. Even such an elementary mental activity as detecting the presence of a stimulus in the environment involves expectations, beliefs, and goals. And in forming a mental representation of that stimulus, we rely on knowledge already stored in memory and engage in problem-solving activity, the problem being to figure out, given all the information available to us, whether something's out there, what it is, where it is, what it's doing, and what it means. So now let's take a look at sensation and perception, the first of the cognitive processes by which we come to know the world around us and ourselves as well.